True. Good for you. God damn, I swear.
How do you really feel, Steve?
Tired. I'm tired and I'm drunk, okay? Taking a video of me? Well, video this, okay? Got that? Good.
How do you feel about your papa?
Huh?
How do you feel about your papa?
Okay. God, there's still beer there. Drink it, big boy. Huh? I drank mine. Can't drink yours? Huh? What's the problem? Huh?
Want to go drink another one?
No, I'm done.
Oh, you're a big boy. You can't drink another one.
No, I can't. I'm a big boy, but I'm an old boy. And guess what? Old boys know when to quit.
This is Frosty Dog, Steve.
Yeah, right. I'm going to bed.